What's up, guys? Random Gamer here, and today we're gonna play Angry Birds. So let's just get into it and start. Ping, bang. I'm gonna do multiple parts. I think I'll do like one each time I do this. So let's go back to the one we were at. Oh, here. Let's start. Do 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 do. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do this stuff. Come on. And launch. I just watched the Angry Bird movie, and that gave me the idea of playing this. So yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Continue. And go right there. Oh man. Oh yeah. I missed it. And boom. Oh yeah, master. Right here. Oh, wait, what happened? No, crap. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ads. Okay. Oh, can I hit it? Hit it. Hit it. Yes! Oh, that was nice. That's it, right? Yeah. I used to play this when I was like 5 years old. And it's like it's really fun for me. And okay. What? Should have hit him. Yep, there. What? And launch. Oh man. Alright, first loss of the day. This is gonna be the Angry Birds, part 1. Stupid shit. Oh. Okay. What happened? No. Can we zoom out? Try that. Oh, shoot. Oh. Hit it. Boom! Lockdown. Woohoo! Yeah. Boom. Oh, there's 2 now. Okay. Let's hit. First, let's hit that, and that should go down. Try. Oh. Nope. Yeah. I'm a master. hit the like button if you want more of this. I want 1 like. Pretty sure I'll never hit 1 like. Even though I'll still do this. Hold up, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh. That should go right there. Yeah. You guys should notice in the background. You should know. I have siblings, so that sucks. Level failed? What? What? That was not level failed. I don't see anymore. How is that level failed? That should hit it, right? Hit it, boom. That is not like that. Yeah, that's not really fair. That was just some kind of glitch. That was just weird. Is there more? Oh my god. Boom, boom. Boom. Let's do this. And guys. Hey guys, we're back. Yeah, I know how these work. You guys work. Oh yeah, that was great skill right there. I'll restart that. Come on, let's restart that. That was stupid of me. Launch. Come on, guys. Okay. Boom. I am a master at this. This is easy. Let me see how many levels there are right now. There's even more. Okay, so I think I'll just do like this part of it first, and then I think tomorrow we'll do this, and then the next day we'll just do this. We'll just keep on doing these things until we're like completely done. So yeah, dude, let's just do this. So let's get out of that. Oh man, stupid of me. Oh, do it again. Oh, that would be cool if I did that in one hit. Yeah. Mastered. Okay, I gotta aim this way. I wanna try to make it through those. And man, that's gonna be hard. Oh shoot. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's nice. You done here? Oh, that's just. That's not a new high score. What are you talking about? Oh, wait. Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah. No 2-star. It's okay. It's okay. Ads, right? Okay, we're back. And we will be launching! Yeah, here. And set. Launch. Boom, 2 and 1. So that's good. Wow. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. I didn't get that back one. That one's hard. Oh, yes. That's good. That's very good. Shoot, this one's hard. Oh, am I done with that part? Oh, okay. Oh, wait. What else does he open this page? Okay, guys, I'm right back. I'm gonna collect all the stars so I can do that level. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I might have used some of my powers, but I got every. Oh, wait 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. I used some of my powers, but I got it. Oh, whoa. I know what the egg does, but look, that's what it does. Jesus. This is hard. Okay, this one's hard. Jesus, I can't do this one. Oh, that was close. Okay, hold on. Let me do this. Oh, wait. Ooh, what am I doing? Okay, guys, I can't do this one. So, whoever can get this, you're a master. From me, you're a master. I can't do that. So next time, guys, we'll be doing this one. So, please like and subscribe to Random Gamer. And I'll see you guys next time.